Welcome to Peanut Quiz Trivia. Are you a space genius? Let's find out. What is the name of our galaxy? Milky Way. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Which planet has beautiful rings? Saturn. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Which planet is called the blue planet? Earth. What is the brightest planet visible from Earth? Venus. What is the hottest planet in our solar system? Venus. What planet is known for the Great Red Spot? Jupiter. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mercury. What is the closest star to Earth after the Sun? Proxima Centauri. What force keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? Gravity. Which planet has the most moons? Saturn. What is the name of NASA's most famous telescope? Hubble. Which galaxy is closest to the Milky Way? Andromeda. What is the Sun mostly made of? Hydrogen. What is the name of first artificial satellite? Sputnik 1. Who was the first person in space? Yuri Gagarin. What is the name of India's first satellite? Aryabhat. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? Venus. How is the light year used to measure? Distance. What is the outermost layer of Sun called? Corona. Which planet rotates on its side? Uranus. What is a black hole? A region with strong gravity. Which planet has the shortest day? Jupiter. What are the shooting stars actually? Meteors. What color are the hottest stars? Blue. What color are the coolest stars? Red. What is the biggest type of star? Supergiant. What is the name of rover that landed on Mars in 2021? Perseverance. What is the shape of most galaxies? Spiral. What do we call a group of stars forming a pattern? Constellation. What protects Earth from the sun's harmful rays? Ozone layer. Which planet is farthest from the sun? Neptune. What is the Milky Way mostly made of? Gas and dust. Which planet has a day longer than its year? Venus. What is the name of our nearest galaxy neighbor? Andromeda. Which planet is known as the gas giant? Jupiter. What is the largest moon of Saturn? Titan. What is the Sun classified as? Star. What planet is called the ice giant? Neptune. What is the name of India's space agency? ISRO. What is a galaxy? Group of stars. What planet has iron oxide that makes it red? Mars. What is the brightest star in our night sky? Sirius. What is the smallest dwarf planet? series? What is the largest volcano in our solar system? Olympus Mons. Which planet has the strongest winds? Neptune. What is the main cause of a solar eclipse? Moon blocking sun. Comment your score below and don't forget to like and subscribe.